Hey y'all, so I really did not plan on filming a thrift haul today. Y'all, I went into Goodwill. I had to go to the post office and I was like, what the heck? I have like 25 minutes. Let me run into Goodwill. I walked into Goodwill. I set a timer for 25 minutes. I did not even grab a buggy. Y'all, this is a great haul. There's a bolo in here. I need to talk about it right now. If you see this, pick it up. Let's get straight into the haul. So thrift tip, reseller tip, whenever you walk into a thrift store, look for the new racks, and that's where you're gonna find a lot of good stuff. So as soon as I walked into Goodwill, I noticed they pulled out 4 new racks filled with clothes, and I saw this. And I'm so glad I looked at it. Y'all know I usually do not look at skirts or dresses, and I saw this. And I saw these lines and I said, oh, that looks interesting. And at first I was like, it's probably just like a schoolgirl uniform or something like that. And I was flipping through, I was really trying to hurry, and I saw this. Y'all, if you see this, buy it. Just buy it. This is Thom Browne. I'm gonna show it to you again. These skirts sell for $200 plus. So it's just a black pleated little mini schoolgirl skirt. And it looks like all the Thom Browne skirts have these like red, white, and blue lines on them. Y'all, I got home, I listed this for $225, and I've already been declining offers. My highest offer I've received so far is $170. It's only been up maybe an hour, hour and a half, something like that. I just had to show y'all this. Like I said, this isn't a huge haul, but there's some good stuff in here. Thom Browne, let me show this again to you because you gotta know it. If you see this, buy it. Y'all know I love to sell lingerie and I love Spanx, but this is not lingerie. These are skinny jeans and they are like a faux leather. Now, if you're not familiar with Spanx, if you're not really in with the following, the faux leather jeggings, leggings, these kind of pants, these are the big money makers. I think I have these listed for $55 or $65. Yeah, these are really nice. These are in perfect condition. I'll show you Spanx, and it's the 5-pocket skinny jean. And yeah, these should do really well. If you see Spanx faux leather leggings, jeggings, pants, anything like that, people who love Spanx, they love this faux leather look. So I was super excited about these. So I'll be the first to tell you, I don't really know anything about sports, but I do sell quite a bit of it. I just have to look up each and every piece. This is a great brand to buy, Mitchell & Ness, and I'm not sure if this is vintage. Every single piece I found on eBay, they put vintage in the title, but this just doesn't look like a vintage tag to me, so I just skipped the vintage part and I just listed it as a Seattle Sonics. And also when I looked it up, they also were some people were labeling it as Seattle Supersonics. So I included that as well, I believe. And anyway, it's just a gray sweatshirt. And some of these were selling for like $50 and up. I listed this one for $45. It's a size small, and I'm excited to see how it does. Let me know, do you think this is vintage? Everyone else was putting vintage in their title, but their tags did look vintage. This doesn't really. I did go on the Mitchell & Ness website to see how much the Seattle Sonics merchandise was going on there, and it was really expensive new. A lot of stuff was $100. So I think this is gonna do well. I know a lot of y'all do not pick up Eileen Fisher. You shouldn't sleep on it though. I found a couple Eileen Fisher pieces that are gonna do great. This one in particular, I'm pretty confident I can get minimum $50 for it. Eileen Fisher, and it is a silk. It's 80% silk, and it's a cream open front cardigan. And just look up the comps, y'all. A lot of these are selling $50 and $60. So I was really excited to find this, and y'all know my prices at my Goodwill, just in case you're curious how much I'm paying for this stuff, my prices at my Goodwills here in South Mississippi are really low. I think sweaters are like, I think they're like $4. And then jeans and pants are like $5.25. So yeah, I'm definitely going to make a great profit on this. Okay, this is the last item I want to share with y'all. And again, it's Eileen Fisher. This is a size extra large, and this is a cashmere cardigan. and it has the buttons in the front. And this one is probably going to be more like a $35, $40 piece, but it is cashmere. What I look for whenever I look for Eileen Fisher pieces, I look for one of two things. I look to make sure that, I look for both of these things, I should say. I look for a big size, usually large and up at least, and I look for good quality material. Eileen Fisher makes a lot of organic cotton. I love to pick that up. Y'all know I sold an organic cotton t-shirt for 50 bucks one time by her. I like to pick up cashmere and silk. So that's what I looked for whenever I was looking at the Eileen Fisher pieces. There were a lot of Eileen Fisher at my Goodwill this day, but these were like the best looking pieces. So I think this is going to do good. I'm trying to focus more on like sweaters, cardigans, things like that going into fall. Okay, y'all, that was a super quick thrift haul. I usually, whenever I just pick up a few things at Goodwill's, I usually do not film them. I just list them and put them in my inventory room. But I felt like this haul was really, really good. I would highly recommend if you see any of this stuff I picked up today that you pick it up as well so you can make some extra money online reselling. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the subscribe button if you want to see more content from me. I'm trying to move to daily content, and I'll see y'all tomorrow for a fun new video. Bye, y'all.